Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be reviewing this super cute Glossier Super Glow Vitamin C Serum. I've been using the Super Glow on and off for several months now, and I have to say, after using it for a while, I really like it. This is a super lightweight serum. It contains a derivative of vitamin C called SAP for short, which is sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is a stable water-soluble form of vitamin C that's really good. This has got like a really nice water-like texture, which means that you have to use it very specifically. I found that when I put it into the palm of my hand, as I do with most serums, and then just put it over my face, it would just almost disappear into my hand super quickly. So the best way to use this is to literally just drop it onto the skin, and then you'll get the most out of it, because if you put it on your palms and then apply it to your skin, you'll find that you'll have to use kind of like triple amount of the product than you actually would if you dot it directly on. That's a really important thing to do with using this, because you only get 0.5 fluid ounces or 15 ml of this, which is quite small for a serum. Generally, I would say a serum is usually around 30 ml. I think that that's what you get with the ordinary serums. So at $28 for a bottle, it's kind of like not the most expensive, but it's not the cheapest either. So considering the bottle is so small, you want to kind of use it correctly so that you get the most out of it. I really like that it's a stable form, so it comes in this clear bottle because it's not sensitive to the light like it is with L-ascorbic acid. Another thing I really like about this is that it isn't sticky at all, so it doesn't kind of like interfere with any other skincare that you put on top. It's really nice to wear during the day, and in addition to kind of evening out and brightening the skin tone, it also works as a really good antioxidant as well. So you should specifically use that during the day. That's when I use it, and I feel like I can get the most out of it. The only thing with this is it's very lightweight, so I find that it's not as strong as other vitamin C's I've used. So this could work in your favor or against you depending on what you're looking for in a vitamin C serum. I would prefer it to be a little bit stronger, but I'm happy that it is the way that it is. If I use it continually, kind of everyday use, then I start to see results after a little while. If you're used to using kind of like a stronger vitamin C, then you will probably find that this isn't strong enough for you. But if you are kind of just, it's for instance your first vitamin C product that you're using, then this could be really good, as it's kind of like a nice starter, easy option that's not going to irritate your skin, make it peel, make it red or anything like that. I love the Glossier packaging. I think that it's super cute, and that's one of the reasons why I love using this so much. I think that all in all, you get quite good value for money for the price. You could go to something like The Ordinary and get a cheaper version, but it certainly wouldn't look as nice as this one. In addition to vitamin C, this has also got magnesium in it, which helps kind of rejuvenate the skin cells and kind of, recharge the skin. So the ingredients work well together so that you can get that kind of brighter, fresher, energized skin. So this works particularly well also in the winter if your skin's a little bit dull. I know that in the winter with the central heating on and that kind of thing, my skin can start to get a little bit dull, so vitamin C is really good. But to be honest, I like it all year round. So I think that the winning points for me is that it's a stable form of vitamin C. It's definitely not sticky at all, so it sits really well with other products on top, and it doesn't kind of give my skin any irritation. So if you've got sensitive skin, you haven't used a vitamin C and you're kind of looking to start using one, then this could be a really good option for you. If however you're looking for something stronger, you've been using vitamin C in the past, then you might find that this just isn't strong enough for you, and it would be better to choose something with kind of a higher percentage that's going to give you more noticeable results. That's it for today's review. I hope that you found it useful. If you've got any questions regarding this product, let me know in the comments below and I will do my best to help you. I'm going to record the other 2 serums from Glossier, which will be linked up above as soon as they are ready. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.